Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all well, and we welcome you to our YouTube channel. And those who have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe soon. Now start our video without wasting our time. So let's start our video. Today in this video I will tell you how to fingerprint lock your WhatsApp from within WhatsApp. So first of all, you have to just open your WhatsApp, and you can see the three dots in the top corner. You just click on it, and you can see the setting option. Just click on it. Then you can see the account option. Just click on it. Now you can see the privacy option. Just click on it and scroll down. The last option is fingerprint lock. You have just click on it and enable to this option, and close the app. Now reopen the WhatsApp. You can see your WhatsApp has got a fingerprint lock. Thanks for watching our video. To watch more such informative videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.